Freeform is taking metal 3D printing and scaling it into a mainstream technology.
Our vision is to deploy autonomous factories, much like AWS deploys data centers.
One of the goals of Freeform with 3D printing is to make hardware more like software, where you can easily scale from the first article up to thousands, tens of thousands, millions of units.
The actual technology of 3D printing is all about software. The most exciting things that you can do with software are beyond just the pure information technology realm, but in places where it affects the physical world.
Fundamentally, the computational challenge is actually very similar. Whether being Apple or Freeform, both places are trying to push the very edge of what computation can be done.
It's inherently a digital process, which means it is completely automatable. This is really important for being able to scale this process to high volume applications.
The idea was, let's make the assembly line of this type of technology. What the assembly line did, say, for automotive manufacturing in the early part of the 20th century is what was set out to do for 3D printing.
You touch almost every level of stack, all from FPGAs and microcontrollers at the lowest end to web tech and cloud computing at the highest end.
We have individuals that span from data pipeline, machine learning, computational geometry, generalists, to IT, to security.
We have people from SpaceX, Apple, Tesla, Google, Blue Origin, some of the top companies in the world of many different disciplines.
Manipulating the geometry, simulating what will happen inside the printer, creating the tool paths for the lasers. All of that is very similar to the graphics industry, gaming industry, visual effects industry.
You have a rare opportunity to be a part of a world-changing technology. What we've developed here is truly unique. Nothing like this exists in the world today.